Hello to all the fans of the BFH Garage. Today is the day that the Colorado fans have been waiting for. I'm giving away that CJ Grille behind me with the Colorado flag painted on it. This drawing's been going on for a little more than a month, and today is the day that I announce the winner. To make things simple, I put together a list of all the subscribers, and I used my Echo to pick a random number. For example, Echo, pick a random number between 1 and 500.
Your random number between 1 and 500 is 411.
So I used that technique, went through all of the list that I had, and I came up with the name of a person who's going to win this grill. But first, got to tell you about the next drawing that's coming up. Let me move you over to the bench a little bit closer so you can see what's going on. As I stated in the first video, there will be another drawing for a giveaway, and it's going to be a pretty cool one. But first, I just want to show everybody that grill that this person is going to win that has yet to be announced still. I can tell you right now that that person is sitting over there on my laptop pulled up, and I don't think you can see it from here. That's a good thing for now, because I know you're all dying to see it. But first, let's get into the second drawing. It is not completed yet. I was talking about getting it built, but I had to take some time to put that, I can't think of the right words for that thing, but I had to put that thing back together, build a front axle, so that's taken up all my time. However, I can tell you that the next giveaway will involve these vintage CJ gauges. So when you look at this, you have your speedometer, you have your voltmeter, and you have your oil gauge. I'm going to create something involving and using those gauges, so that's going to be the next giveaway. Now I want to make sure everybody's clear that if you are already subscribed, you are already entered, and this new drawing will be open to everyone. This is going to be actually a pretty cool project. I'm really looking forward to getting it completed so I can put it up for grabs, and that's kind of on the next on my to-do list. So when I get that done, I will make sure that you guys are aware of it. I'll post all the links for it. And if you're already subscribed, don't even sweat it. You're already entered, so that's good. The nice thing now is the drawing for this goes out to everyone, whereas the Colorado CJ Grille went to just Colorado residents. So I'm looking forward to that build, and look for that coming up. I know you guys are waiting, and I'm dying to tell you the name of the winner is right there, and you guys are just dying to see who it is, and I get it. Let's do this. The one thing I could not do is I could not go through my subscription list and differentiate who is from Colorado and who is not. So I'm going to make this very clear before I announce the winner. If this winner is not from Colorado, I'm going to conduct another drawing and give that away to a Colorado winner. That was stated in the early on rules that you had to be a Colorado resident in order to win that thing. So if this person is not a Colorado resident, then this thing's going back up for grabs, and I'll make that announcement too. Now the second thing is, if this person doesn't watch the channel or the Facebook feeds when I post all this information, I'm not going to let it sit around forever either. So I'm going to give this person, what do you guys say is fair? Let's give this person 7 days to make contact with me to claim their prize. 7 days. So today is October 1st. We will give them till October 8th. At 5 p.m. And if the person does come forward, I'll let everybody know, so you're not sitting there biting your nails wondering if it's going to be put back up yet or not. All right, let's announce the winner. And I'm hoping I don't butcher your name. First name starts with an R, Richard. Last name, Felbab, F-E-L-B-A-B. Richard, you have 7 days to reach out to me in order to claim this grill, and if you're not a Colorado resident, I'm gonna have to give it to somebody who is. However, you'll still be entered to win the next giveaway. I want you to get a hold of me via email, thebfhgarage@gmail.com. I need you to contact me, thebfhgarage@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Sorry if you didn't win it, but thanks for following the channel. It means a lot to me. I put up a lot of good videos. I'm hoping you guys are learning from it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comments below, or feel free to email at thebfhgarage@gmail.com. Time to get busy on another project.